Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to test out new products from Pond's, and this is the Acne Clear Anti-Acne Facial Foam and the Leave-On Expert Clearing Gel. So sabi nila, in as little as 3 days, mawawala na daw yung pimple. So I vlogged for you guys from day 1, day 2, and then day 3, and tignan natin kung mawawala talaga yung pimple ko. So today is day 1, guys, and I currently have a few pimples on my face. I have one over here, sobrang visible, and a few bumps over on this part, as well as one pimple on my jaw area. Pea size amount lang, like that. And then we're gonna put it on our face, concentrating on areas na merong pimples. Mabango siya. Bango. So as you can see, pea size amount lang, pero sobrang naglather na sa mukha ko. Ayan, my face is now super squeaky clean. Now we move on to using the Acne Clear Anti-Acne Leave-On Expert Clearing Gel. An ample amount for our face. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Actually, all over. Ang bango. It's day 2, guys, and I noticed that when I woke up, sobrang lumiit tong pimple na to. Kahapon, di ba medyo ano yan, bumpy? And my pimples over here, almost gone. Ito, lumiit din to. Today is day 3, guys, and as you can see, sobrang nag-dry up na yung pimple ko dito. Although it's not yet totally gone, pero you can see a significant improvement in the size and the redness of the pimple. So, sobrang lumiit na, and it's almost completely gone. And then, yung dito ko naman, yun din, almost gone. Hindi na siya as bumpy as day 1. So after 3 days of using the Acne Clear Facial Foam plus the Clearing Gel, I saw a significant change in the size and the redness of my pimple over on this part and even on my jaw area. And I think it works. It just did not completely erase the pimple. Hindi siya completely mawawala talaga. Pero, significant yung pagliit ng pimple niya. As in, sobrang significant. Like, yung una ba may bump pa talaga, lalo na dito, may bump pa talaga. And then after 3 days, talagang parang completely flat na siya and then completely gone na. So I can say na gumana naman sa akin tong Pond's Acne Clear Facial Foam plus yung Clearing Gel. Yung Clearing Gel actually yung favorite ko kasi ito yung pinapatagal mo sa mukha mo, like overnight talaga siya. It's very cooling sa mukha mo. Very cooling, very rejuvenating siya. Kaya I like using this stuff. And I urge you guys to try it out as well. I-try nyo rin yung 3-day challenge, guys. If ever meron kayong malalaking pimple dyan, try nyo for 3 days and see if there would be a significant change in the pimple size and the redness as well. Pond's will be giving away, ito, binigyan nila kami ng pouch kasi sa event. And then sa loob, merong, of course, meron nung product itself. Meron tayo nung facial foam plus yung clearing gel. And then, makakatanggap din kayo ng selfie light. Sobrang cute. As in, look at that. Selfie light siya. Ina-attach siya sa phone mo. And then you can actually take a selfie. All you need to do is go to the information box down below. I'll have all the mechanics down there. Again, lahat ng mechanics doon. All you need to do is follow them and make sure you read carefully para manalo kayo ng isang Pond's selfie kit like this one. That is it for my review for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!